Hi everyone. I would like to welcome all of you to today's class. So ಇವತ್ತು ಒಂದು ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ JEE ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. That is four charges equal to minus q are placed at the four corners of a square and a charge small q is at its center. If the system is in equilibrium, the value of small q is. Okay. So first here, let us consider a square. What is this? A square. Four charges minus q, that is placed at the four corners of a square. That is A, B, C, D. Those are the corners. Okay. And then draw the two diagonals BD and AC. So this is the point of intersection of two diagonals, and this is the center of the square. Okay. Now the charge plus small q is placed at the point O. So actually the system is in equilibrium. That means the net force acting on each charge is equal to 0. So let us consider just one charge, that is minus q. So how many forces acting on minus q at point D? So it is near four charges. So the four forces acting on minus q, right? So one is the force acting on minus q at point D due to minus q at A, that is repulsive, that is along the direction AD. And what is this? This is FA vector. And the force acting on minus q at D due to minus q at T, that is repulsive, that is along the direction BD. And what is this? This is FB vector. And the force acting on minus q at the point D due to plus q at O, that is attractive, that is along the direction DO. And what is this? F naught vector. And the force acting on minus q at the point D due to minus q at C, that is repulsive, that is along the direction CD. And this is FC vector. Okay. So ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫೋರ್ಸಸ್ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡಿ ಬಿ ಟು ಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಿ ಟು ಡಿ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಬಿ ಟು ಡಿ actually let us consider here the side of the square, that is A. Okay. BD Pythagoras theorem apply ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. root a square plus a square root 2a square root 2a square is root 2a. Correct? So BD is root 2 into A. Okay. So ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ OD distance find ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. That is very important. So that is actually half of BD, right? So root 2A divided by 2, 2 na root 2 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. root 2 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. A by root 2, that is the value of OD. Okay. So ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ FA vector magnitude, FC vector magnitude find out ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Actually FA vector magnitude, that is exactly equal to FC vector magnitude, because magnitude of 2 point charges and the separation. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ magnitude of 2 point charges ಏನಿದೆಯೋ, so at C and D magnitude of 2 point charges separation same ಇದೆ. That means FA vector magnitude, that is exactly equal to FC vector magnitude. This point is very important. So that value is according to Coulomb's inverse square law, that is K into product of magnitude of two charges, minus q magnitude q minus q magnitude q, q into q square divided by square of the distance, that is a square. Okay, right? So after that, what is the resultant of FA vector and FC vector. Adana find out madkoಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. But the two vectors acting at the same point which are mutually perpendicular to each other. What is the resultant? R is equal to root P square plus Q square. Here root FA square plus FC square. That is actually here along the diagonal of this square. That is along the diagonal of this square. Okay, let us consider that one as F1. So F1, that is the resultant of FA vector and FC vector. What is the value of F1? So that is root FA square plus FC square, and here FA is equal to FC. FA is equal to FC. So root FA square plus FA square, root 2 times FA square, that means root 2 FA. So F1 is root 2 FA. Actually F1 is equal to root FA square plus FC square ಬರುತ್ತೆ. FA is equal to FC ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ root FA square plus FA square, root 2 times FA square, root 2 FA. That is the value of F1. ಇವಾಗ ನೋಡಿ F1 and FB both are moving in the same direction. What is the resultant? F1 plus FB. That is exactly equal to F0, because the system is in equilibrium. The net force acting on minus Q is 0. F1 plus FB ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ F0 ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. Magnitude same ಇರುತ್ತೆ, but direction is quite opposite. Net force acting on minus Q at point D, that is equal to 0. Okay, now apply the equilibrium condition. At equilibrium in ಬರುತ್ತೆ F1 plus FB, because two vectors moving in the same direction. What is the resultant? P plus Q. F1 plus FB, that is exactly equal to F0. Okay, so ಇದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. F1 is actually root 2 FA. That is KQ square divided by A square plus FB, and the meaning ಏನು? Force acting on minus Q at the point B due to minus Q at the point B. Okay, that is K into product of magnitude of two charges, Q into Q square divided by square of the distance between two charges, that is B and D. Minus Q in between distance is BD. BD value is root 2A. ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ root 2 square ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 2 into A square ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Right? That is equal to F0, means the force acting on minus Q at the point D due to plus Q at O. So that is K, two charges, one is small q and another one is capital Q, divided by square of the distance, OD square. OD is A divided by root 2, A divided by root 2 square ಮಾಡಿ, that is A square divided by root 2 square is 2. Correct? So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ K Q square divided by A square, that is just to take it as common. The remaining is root 2 plus 1 by 2, that is equal to K small q capital Q 1 by 2 numerator shift ಮಾಡಿ in ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 divided by A square K capital Q cancels, right? So capital Q of, what is the LCM here? 2, right? So then ಬರುತ್ತೆ 2 root 2 plus 1, that is equal to 2 into small q. So ಈ 2 ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ shift ಮಾಡಿ 2 into 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4. So finally we will get plus q divided by 4 of 1 plus 2 root 2, that is equal to small q. So the value of small q is plus q by 4 of 1 plus 2 root 2. The right answer is option B. Okay, thank you.